So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about L&T share. So we know that this particular stock was down since many days and today also it has given a downfall. And not only this particular stock, so many stocks were down today and market itself was down almost 2.2%. So profit booking was seen even in the market. So it's obvious that major stocks also will show the correction. So there is also an update regarding L&T regarding the hydroelectric power plant which was completed recently and it is almost ready. So that is almost 99 megawatt hydroelectric power plant which is present between Singoli as well as Batwari. So that also has been completed. So now we'll do the technical analysis as well as volume analysis and we'll try to find out the next set of levels. So watch the video till the end. So in my previous videos we have discussed about Route Mobile. So today it has given excellent we can say listing gains, almost 100 above listing gains was seen in morning itself. So people have not watched the video, definitely they can watch that as well. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So when we see the basic overview of L&T, so if you see the market cap is almost above 1 lakh crores, and if you see the dividend yield, very good decent dividend yield is given by the company on regular basis, almost 2.04%. And next important thing is when we see the industry P is almost 18.92 and currently you can see it is near 21.38, so slightly higher as compared to the sector P. So next when we see the percentage deliveries are almost 63.22%. So little bit of operator activity is present, so that we'll see in the volume analysis. So when we see the volume analysis, so clearly you can see on 18th September, you can see 63% deliverable quantities were seen. And if you see the traded quantity, so this light color bars are nothing but the traded quantity. So whenever traded quantity is huge, it implies that operator activity is present and little bit of attention is required whenever operator activity is present. So because whenever operator activity is present, either the stock jumps or sudden fall may occur. So today also the fall has occurred in the stock. So whenever operator activity is more, always invest in small quantities. So I suggest in my every videos that whenever operator activity is more, you should invest only in small quantities, so that even if the stock shows correction, so that the loss will be minimum and you can average at any point of time. So this particular stock, since it is fundamentally strong, so nothing much to panic. So we'll move on to the technical charts and we'll see the next set of levels. So when we see the returns, so you can see that in 1 week, you can see almost minus 2.24% returns were given. 1 month negative returns of 11.30, 3 months minus 1.82, 6 months 1.98. So nothing great returns we can see in this stock. So it is completely a long-term bet stock, almost 5-6 years you need to leave this particular stock, so then only you can expect decent returns. So completely not much returns are given by this particular company. So I personally suggest that don't completely invest in this company. So only invest in small portions and diversify your portfolio. Okay, so diversification is essential, particularly in this period of time where these type of businesses are affected. You need to be very choosy regarding your portfolio. So diversify, choose IT companies. So IT companies are one sector that is going to show you huge returns in the coming years as well. So currently if you see the P's of IT industries also, they're trading at high valuations, so they're giving huge run up. So find the undervalued stocks, especially in IT sector, and invest in them. So that may be the best sector after the pharma. Okay, so when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so clearly you can see indicators strong oversold region. So 30 below is called oversold. You can see currently it's in 17.6, so completely oversold. So at any point of time you can see a reversal. So either it may be tomorrow, if the market sentiment is positive, then definitely you can see a reversal in this stock. RSI 33, strength also reduced. Okay, and you can see momentum also still present, but normal momentum is present. So it gives upward movement, again downfall. So volatility is present in the market. So rigorous option trading, or it may be operator activity, is still present. So we're back on to the technical chart. So this is the technical chart. So clearly we can see when it has come down below the moving averages. So that is 20 EMA as well as the 50 EMA. So the red color line is the 20 EMA and the green color line is the 50 EMA. So when it has given breakdown from that, so correction was seen in the stock. So when it has given a breakdown from the pivot point as well, it has started showing correction. So today itself also it has given a breakdown from the pivot point, which is the 890 rupees level pivot point. So next supports to watch will be the same, that is 878 is also a very good support, 875 and 878. So these are the very good supports. If it not respects that, then last and final support would be the 860 rupees level. So these are the major, okay, we can say supports for the company. So you can add at that particular levels if you see any sort of correction. So since money flow index is also into oversold, then you can see reversal at any point of time. Again, we can see investments occurring. So selling was seen in most of the large cap companies. So this is also a large cap company. So it is not easy for any we can say normal people to do that much heavy selling. So by big players only the selling was seen. So again they may add at that particular level. So you need to be little bit of attention is required. So what we can see in 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also we can see the same support, that is 878 rupees level. So from where even after the closing little bit of recovery was seen. So completely don't I mean to say that depend on the market sentiment. So you need to invest in small quantities, because at any point of time reversal may happen and that time you will not get these particular levels again. Okay, so these are the levels which the company has touched when it used to when the crash has occurred during the COVID-19. So that time it used to trade in these particular levels. Again it is approaching those levels only. So you need to be opportunistic and you need to invest in small quantities, because again this opportunity will not come. So safe bet, so nothing to lose. Okay, since it's a large cap company, nothing will happen to it, but you need to always invest in small quantities. So dividend also is given, so safe side company for long term. So same here also, the money flow index is near 51. So major selling is not seen. So minor selling is only seen if you see the volume as well. So you need to watch what happens tomorrow as well if it shows correction. So watch for the 860 rupees level and you can enter. Okay, immediate targets would be 900 plus. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding any share, so do ask in the comment section so that we'll have a discussion on it. Then in next videos we'll discuss about another stock. So until then, take care. Bye bye.